I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say, they were never true in the game.
You can't do this anymore, Damon. Not in this town, not around me.
Why not? Nothing I haven't done before. Why is it suddenly so important for everyone to keep me in check?
Because I don't want you to be what other people think that you are.
What? A monster? Sorry to disappoint you, Elena, but last time I checked, I was still a vampire.
Guess I wish that you didn't have to act like one.
I am not Stefan. How about you stop trying to turn me into him?
With you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say, they were never true in the games you'd play. You would always win, always win. But I'll set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I'll set fire to the rain and lock the rust into the flames. When it fell, something died 'cause I knew that was the last time.
Where we going?
Away from here.
Sometimes
That's all I'm gonna give you for right now. But